Hi guys, it's me, and today we're taking a closer look at a compact gadget that's built to give you a full big screen experience without the need for a traditional TV. This is a smart portable projector that combines a large display capability, built-in Android features, and modern connectivity into a small and travel-friendly design. Starting with the design, it's clear this device is made for convenience. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and doesn't require a permanent setup. You can move it from room to room or even take it outside for a quick movie night. It's the kind of tech that fits into your routine instead of forcing you to adjust around it. Once it's powered on, the main highlight becomes obvious. You're getting access to a massive projection size that can transform any wall into a personal cinema. While pushing it to the extreme size might slightly affect sharpness, keeping it within a balanced range delivers a clean, immersive picture that feels far bigger than most TVs in this price range. The projector runs at native 1080p resolution, which is a solid choice for everyday use. Whether you're watching movies, streaming shows, or playing games, the visuals are sharp enough to keep things enjoyable. It also supports 4K input, so if you're connecting newer devices, you still benefit from improved detail and smoother playback through downscaling. A big advantage here is the built-in Android system. This removes the need for external streaming devices completely. You can connect to Wi-Fi, install apps, and start watching content directly from the projector. It simplifies everything and creates a more seamless entertainment setup. The user interface feels familiar and responsive. Navigation is straightforward, and you won't spend time figuring things out. It's designed for quick access, so you can jump straight into your content without delays. Portability continues to be one of its strongest features. This projector is perfect for flexible setups. Whether it's a bedroom, living room, or even an outdoor wall, it adapts easily. It's also a great option for people who travel or want a secondary display that doesn't take up space. The built-in speakers are decent for casual listening, but if you want a more immersive sound experience, connecting external speakers or a Bluetooth audio system makes a noticeable difference. Once paired with better audio, the overall experience becomes much more cinematic. Another useful feature is wireless screen mirroring. You can quickly connect your smartphone and display content without using cables. This is great for sharing videos, photos, or even presentations, making the projector more versatile beyond just entertainment. Getting the image aligned is simple thanks to keystone correction and manual focus adjustments. Even if the projector isn't placed perfectly, you can still achieve a well-shaped and clear image without much effort. Like most projectors in this category, it performs best in low-light environments. Using it in a darker room will give you the best clarity and contrast. In brighter spaces, the image is still usable, but the experience really shines when the lights are dimmed. This type of projector is all about flexibility and value. It's ideal for users who want a large screen experience without investing in a full home theater system. It's also great for casual users who want something easy to set up and fun to use. If you're interested in getting one, check out the link in the description below for more details and the latest pricing. That's it for this one. Drop your thoughts below and let me know if you would use a portable projector like this as your main screen or just as a backup for special occasions.